Okay, checking out another place in Ybor. It's fairly new, and Gio owns this place too. It's right next door to Gio's, and it's called Due Amici. And look at it. It is homemade pastas. You can see the pasta hanging out back there. It is homemade pasta, desserts, there's sauce for sale, and phenomenal pizza, which I just took a video of, and I'll put it at the end of it. But this place is, I got a taste test of the pizza, and it is amazing. They also have beer and wine. I'm gonna turn around here real quick. They have beer and wine back here too, so it's pretty awesome. You should probably check it out.